Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, people, it's time to get back on the Monday grind. Who's with me? Jackie, are you with me? Vince, are you with me? OZ Bell, are you with me? Loria, Kryptonia, Adrian, everybody, are you with me on getting on top of the Monday grind? Remember, all we got to do is grind hard and it will be over with really, really soon. All right, you all, I got an awesome looking watch face, an analog watch face that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now, I paid $1 for this one. And we're going to see at the end of the video, based off of your thoughts and your feelings and your opinion, whether this was a download or leave it right where it's at. Now, I'm giving this watch face 3.5 thumbs up. I'll tell you about that a little bit later on, why I gave it the half a thumb. But let's take a look at the watch face. The name of it is called RK Gold Analog. It's definitely a premium luxury analog watch face. I love the look. I'm loving the design. It's a very unique, very different watch face that you're going to find in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a really nice look so far as analog is concerned, but let's pay attention to the watch face when it's on. I'm loving the index. I'm loving the theme of this watch face. I love the octagon look, silver, which ties into this dark theme color in the background very nicely. I thought the developer did a really good job. Now, here's where the half a thumb comes in at, and it doesn't take away from the fact that this is definitely an analog premium watch face. I wish that I could double tap right there and even this all out across the board, and or maybe I wanted to split it in half, or maybe I just wanted to take it away altogether. That's why he got the half a thumb and not 4 thumbs up. But definitely this is that watch face that if you're going to a board meeting or if you're going to rip up the town over the weekend, this is definitely a watch face that you would want to have on your wrist. Now, what you're going to get Sunday to the right, which is your date. Now, I like the border that's going around it. It's gold, screams luxury all day. Same thing with your date. Down at the bottom, you will get animated seconds. At the top, you are going to get your month. So I'm thinking, people, this is definitely a good look. I'm thinking it's worth the $1 that I paid for it in the Gear Manager store. But at the end of the day, people, it is up to you. You tell me, what do you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Please just continue to grind hard. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.